welcome back to my channel. Basically, I'm gonna try to put a wig on only using mousse. So this is an experiment. I hope it works because I want this to be my new method, because I don't really want to use the got to be glued products because I really don't think that's the safest thing for my hair. I bought this mousse from the beauty supply. I'm pretty sure this one isn't like super safe either, but if this technique works, I'll probably just transition to the Shea Moisture mousse, which is definitely safe. Yeah, my wigs will be on and I'll have a protective style under, but I just want to see if it works first. I'm pretty sure it does, so we're gonna try it out. So the hair company that I'll be working with today is from this hair company called Hairvivi. So this is how it looks inside. The wig that I got today was the black bob lace front wig, and I got Indian virgin hair. So this is the wig. This wig is 14 inches. This is supposed to be like their new hairline wigs, and it's already pre-plucked, so you could just put it on really quick. All the knots are bleached and the hairline looks beautiful. So I'm really excited for this wig, and these are the curls. And you guys can use my code. It is just Azaire. You can get $15 off any wig that you order. The hairline is amazing. So before I put my wig cap on, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Jamaican black castor oil all around. I don't want a lot because I don't want to mess up the wig and it laying down. I'm gonna use a little bit of Style edge booster as well to just brush my edges back. So now I'll be using the mousse and my blow dryer to, you know, get all this together. I have my blow dryer on medium heat. Now I'm gonna start cutting carefully. So I'm just gonna clip back all this. I can't see anything, so that's where I'm gonna position it. Now I'm gonna cut the lace. Okay, so now I'm gonna just do it one more time just to make sure everything is in place and laid down. So I believe everything is laid down secure, but I'm still gonna put a scarf on for about 2 hours so I can just make sure this is the final look. Hairline is everything. I need to put my scarf on so it can lay down all the way.